Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to set up Google Authenticator in XT Exchange. So it is a very easy step. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing content. Now let's start this video and follow my steps carefully. So first we have to open XT Exchange. After opening XT Exchange, tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. Over here, tap on Security Center. And as you can see, my Google Authenticator is not enabled. So tap on Google Authenticator in order to enable. You will see this kind of interface where it will say bind and enable Google Authenticator. So tap on that. Now a security authentication, which means that 6-digit verification code has been sent to your email. Now just copy that code and paste it over here. So after writing down the code, if you haven't downloaded Google Authenticator yet, you can tap on download Google Authenticator and your Google Authenticator will be downloaded. But I have already downloaded and installed Google Authenticator. I will tap on connect. Now if you want to copy and back up your 16-digit secret recovery phrase in XT Exchange, you can tap on copy backup. Otherwise you can skip this part. So now the next step, so copy this key and then open your Google Authenticator. After opening Google Authenticator, tap on this plus button on the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on enter a setup key. Tap on code name and write down any code name that you want. So here I will write XT Exchange and then in your key and paste your key which we copied from XT Exchange. Then tap on add. So once we have done that, copy that code. Now come back into your XT Exchange and then tap on connect. Now over here we have to paste that code which we copied from Google Authenticator and then tap on submit. And our Google Authenticator has been finally connected. And that's how you can easily enable Google Authenticator in XT Exchange. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.